VD08 double-sided fingerprint installation video. There are 3 main accessories. The video installation accessories have been pre-cut. The actual installation requires cutting to an appropriate size according to the thickness of the door. First, unscrew the fixing screws on the rear panel. Note: be careful not to damage it. Take out the battery box for easy installation. Install the lock cylinder and gasket. The dot is facing upward. Cut the size according to the door thickness. The front end of the bolt is approximately 1.5 centimeters away from the door. Marker cutting. Install and fix the front panel. Fixed bolts and gaskets. The fixing bolts are cut according to the thickness of the door,
protruding by approximately 0.5.
Install the rear panel. The data cable passes through the hole. Do not squeeze the data cable during installation. Align the peak with the central hole. There are 4 fixed holes in total. Do not tighten the fixing bolts for the time being to facilitate adjusting the spacing. It just needs to be flush with the door frame. Tighten after adjustment. Front and rear panel connection cables. Battery box placement. Power cord socket. Rear fingerprint data connection. If the data interface is blocked, it can be removed, reconnected, and then restored to its original state. Align the back cover and install it. Tighten it with the 2 screws above and below. Just align the deadbolt position to be flush. After installation, test whether the mechanical key can open the door normally.